algorithm secrets and how to get seen. TikTok's algorithm lifts content within the first 200 videos you watch. So make the first 200 you post count. Hey, I'm Holly. I've studied TikTok's algorithm, specifically how it learns you based on what you watch, not what you post. When TikTok sees you engaging with content about income, automation, or senior success, it will show you more, especially within those first 200 videos. You can use this forward engineer style. Watch videos on your topic. For example, passive income for seniors. Post content that matches. Same hashtags and same tone. Let the algorithm jump your video into more feeds. Why it matters? So many people chase trends and don't land because their algorithm foundation is empty. They don't match their watch behavior with their posting behavior, and so they never get seen. The best practice? Spend about 10 minutes browsing relevant videos before creating. Use search-aligned captions and keywords. Duplicate consistently. Within niche a week, you're recognizable. Brands are using creator search tools to identify these patterns and hire creators who already fit. That's why my community is monetizing already, while others are stuck filming dance trends. Drop algo if you want the exact search-driven blueprint I follow, aligned with what brands are picking next. This algorithm doesn't care about how big your audience is. It cares about how relevant your content is. Feel seen yet? Let's get you sorted in the algorithm. Send me an email if you have questions. Check out my site.